Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Let us solve this problem. And this is x raised to power x dot x raised to power 1 over 2 is equal to x raised to power 1 dot x raised to power 1 over 2 all raised to power x. This is x times root is something as 1 over 2. So instead of writing root x, I'll write it x raised to power 1 over 2. Now, I'm going to simplify the power. Remember this. If x raised to power 1 times x raised to power 1 over 2. So it's going to be x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2, which is x raised to power 3 over 2. What I mean is, according to the law of indices, when the base are the same, their powers will be added. So 1 plus 1 over 2 is going to be 3 over 2. So I'm going to have x raised to power x 3 over 2. Then this is going to be equal to x raised to power, because this is 1 and this is 1 over 2, it's still going to be 3 over 2, all raised to power x. All right, so at this case now, according to the power law, when a power is raised to another power, power will multiply power. Power will multiply power. So I'm going to have x raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to x raised to power 3x over 2. Because this times this is going to be 3x over 2. Now that the base are the same thing, the base here is same thing as this base. Therefore, their powers will be the same. So I'm going to say x raised to power 3 over 2 is going to be equal to 3x all over 2. Getting to this point, this one is a power, this does not have power. What I will do is I'm going to say x raised to power 3 over 2 minus 3x over 2 equal to 0. So let me go back to where I started. It's going to be x multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 3x all over 2 equal to 0. Now I can factor out. X is here, I will say x out. I have x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2 equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0, and then x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. And this is going to be x raised to power 1 over 2 is going to be equal to 3 over 2. I mean, carrying this, adding 3 over 2 to both sides of the equation, I have 3 over 2. So in this case, I'm going to cancel this radical by taking the power of both sides. So x raised to power 1 over 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 over 2 all raised to power 2. You know what I do to the left hand side, I must do it to the right hand side. So this cancels this. X becomes 9 over 4. This implies that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 9 over 4. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe to this channel, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, and wherever you get it. Hit the like button and bye.